Explore the latest advancements in MEP design with the new Archicad MEP Designer. Exploring root specifications, we ensure that the sizes of MEP model elements are consistent with products available on the market. Start by setting up a reference dimension data set for ducts and pipes. Then, create dimension tables for segments, elbows, and branches that matches the required dimensions of your MEP elements. These presets are now available at all levels of MEP elements. Root specifications in Archicad, which supersede root references, now include more intricate segment specifications such as DN diameter, inner diameter, and detailed descriptions, as well as configuration options for predefined bends and branches like T-elements. Moving on to the MEP System Browser. This feature allows a real-time overview of the status of the current ventilation systems. Monitor velocity values to control sound emission and reduce construction costs. The MEP System Browser performs calculations for air volume flow and velocity for each root in the system, based on the model dimensions. Now you can resize roots or entire systems based on user-defined parameters such as dimension and velocity. It's very straightforward. Select any duct segment within the model or the MEP System Navigator to adjust its size without having to switch to edit mode. The accuracy of air volume flow calculations hinges on precise connections between roots and other components. To ensure accuracy, activate the Open MEP Connections from the on-screen view options in the View menu. This feature will highlight any connection errors in your design, enabling swift detection and correction. The modeling process is now more precise and intuitive. Input and edit your MEP system not only in plan view, but also in section and elevation views. The root modeling is more flexible. Customize the alignment and offset for each segment to suit your specific requirements. If you need to position a duct closer to a slab, simply realign the root reference line to the bottom point for perfect placement. Enjoy this new level of precision in your MEP root modeling.